Hi, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do a review on ProfitContent. Let's look at what is ProfitContent. It is an AI-based technology that generates unique and readable content. It publishes unique articles to your site or your client's site. It instantly creates hundreds of sticky backlinks to any site. It can be used to create ready-made ebook or info products. It has a technology to quickly rank any site with one click. It provides viral traffic built in from multiple social media platforms and PDF directories. It has the features to add images, videos, and other graphics. It has a commercial license included that you can sell and no installation required. It's a 24/7 support that you will be covered for. Let's look at the sales page. As it says, it's a brand new cloud software, turns done for you unique content into 24/7 free traffic and $1,000 commissions in minutes. Here there is a demo video that we're going to have a look at it in a bit. And in this sales page, do scroll through and read for yourself, what this ProfitContent is about. There's a lot more information as to the steps to activate this app, as well as the many statistics and testimonial of those who have purchased this product. Let's have a look at the short demo video on how this software works.
Creating content has never been easier. With ProfitContent, all you have to do is select a category from right here. So we're just going to go with articles and then select one of the thousands articles we have right here. So let's just go for write and sell an ebook. And we have this unique article created for us right here. Next up, we just give it a name. We click on next step. It will generate this article for us. And here we can spin the text. So if we need it to be even more unique, we can spin it. And then we can instantly share it on Facebook, Twitter, on Pinterest, or directly to Google. Now we just click on Save Changes. And it's done. If we go now to my writing, it will appear right here together with other writings done by our beta testers. Here is an example of an ebook created by one of our beta testers. As you can see, it has been created on the topic of affiliate marketing, and it has been generated with pictures spread through different chapters, all generated for him to immediately sell. Here's another one on how to increase affiliate commissions, again created with ProfitContent. Again, spread out through different chapters with all information a customer would look for, ready for you to sell. It's that easy. And with thousands of articles at your fingertips for either sales copies, video scripts, email swipes, and articles, you can leverage the power of ProfitContent and sell these amazing articles on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, all of which is included in our training right here. And with a one click to our support desk, getting into ProfitContent is a no-brainer. Even more, if you want to access the full power of ProfitContent with ProfitContent Pro, you're going to have access to a text-to-speech, which will allow you to generate voiceovers for your ebooks, for your articles. So it's even easier and more profitable for you to sell these features. So check out ProfitContent right now, and I will see you inside.
Now that sounds like very interesting, something that even I myself will be interested to look at. Now, should you decide to buy this product, do click onto the link at the description below, and you'll come to my bonus page. Some description as to what ProfitContent is about. And let's come to these prices and upsells. At the front end, you will be getting the software and the training modules. There will be various upgrades for you to consider. Right here will be some key benefits. Should you be getting this product via my link, you'll be receiving a few bonuses from me, specially selected for you, that will complement the product that you are purchasing. Bonus number 1 is how to get Google traffic. Bonus number 2 is how to build mobile business empire. Bonus number 3 will be a guide to create unique content for SEO. Bonus number 4 will be my high ticket program for better conversions. Bonus number 5 will be all the bonuses from the vendor. Now, should you be interested to pick up this product, there is a discount that you can claim in the sales page, and I will also give you a rundown as to what you will get in purchasing this product. You will get a cloud-based ProfitContent software, and done for you 100% unique content creation, publish article, ebook, info products, create hundreds of backlinks with one click, commercial license built in, social media syndication module, one-click SEO ranking built-in quality video training, and 24/7 support, and a drag and drop designer for amazing ebook. All value at over $7,000, which you can get, for $15 minus the discount that you will be here. Should you be interested to buy this product, do click on to any of the red buttons here to secure your copy of the software and bonuses. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you next time. Bye.